Today the topic is Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics Basic Concepts. We will see some of the important terms definition in this video. So first is thermodynamics. The name itself indicates thermodynamics is the branch of science that deals with the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. In that, first we have to know about specific terms. So first term is system. So what is a system? So system is defined as a definite space or area on which the study of energy transfer and energy conversion is made. So here we see system which is separated by a boundary from the surroundings. So you can assume any place as a system, any specific area as a system, and outside that system is nothing but surroundings, and a layer which separates the system and surroundings is boundary. So here we see the definition: boundary. The system and surroundings are separated by a layer which is called boundary. It may be fixed or movable or imaginary. It will not occupy any volume or mass in space. So next one is surroundings. Anything outside the system which affects the behavior of the system is known as surroundings. Next one. System is divided into three types: open system, closed system, isolated system. First we see open system. System in which both mass and energy cross the boundaries of the system, that is open system. Closed system. System in which mass does not cross boundaries of the system but energy will cross the boundaries. Isolated system. System in which neither mass nor energy crosses the boundaries of the system. So we can see in a simple diagram. So you can see open system in which exchange of energy and exchange of matter both takes place. So closed system, only exchange of energy takes place, no exchange of matter. Isolated system, no exchange of energy, no exchange of matter. So in this way we can easily understand the three systems. Next definition is work. So according to thermodynamics, work done by a system is the total quantity of energy that the system and its surroundings exchange within themselves. Next definition is heat. Heat is energy in transit. It is the energy, that kinetic energy of the molecules of the substance possessed. So you can see heat. Heat basically transfers from high temperature to low temperature. So similarly, any system we can see how the heat transfer as well as work both will be happening. So you can see positive heat transfer. Similarly, how is the work is exchanged between the system and surroundings. Next one is internal energy. Internal energy is the sum of the kinetic energies and the potential energies of the molecules. So we denote the internal energy of the system by the symbol U. So this internal energy is very important in this chemical engineering thermodynamics. So next one is potential energy. Potential energy is the energy of location or position of a mass in a force field. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, and it is proportional to the square of the velocity as well as to the mass of the moving body. So this potential energy and kinetic energy we have already studied in the previous classes. So simply we can represent it in a diagram which you can easily understand. Potential energy is just a particular position, but kinetic energy is the energy in motion. So potential energy has been transformed into kinetic energy. So here we can see a girl is taking a ball in a particular position, that is potential energy. When she drops the ball, it is moving from one location to other location, that has been transformed into kinetic energy. So these are some of the important terms in chemical engineering thermodynamics.